Snatch Squad? It is your girl Renee, and I am back with another video, and we are officially on week 2. Is this week 2? Yeah, this is week 2's lay-in. Well, this is Monday, so we're officially starting week 3, but this video is about my progress during week 2. There we go. Okay guys, so for week 2 I lost 2 pounds. 2 pounds, and I'm not even gonna front, I am excited because I was like, if I get on the scale one more time and I didn't gain some weight, honey, this challenge is gonna be over. But let me just be honest. So when I originally got on the scale and I saw that I had only lost 2 pounds, I was really upset. I was like, you know what? I put my body on punishment and she still is not acting right. Cause you know, like typically I'm used to when I like go very restrictive, like losing like 5 pounds in a week or something like that. But as you guys know, I've been working with a nutritionist, and so I just thought about it and I was just like, you know what, Celeste, your goal was to lose 2 pounds every week and you achieved that goal. So that's good, girl. So, you know, just relish in the moment. And then I started thinking, well, like technically I had gained what was it, last week I had gained 2 pounds, right? I had gained 4 pounds. So I lost 2, so I was like, well, technically you still haven't even like gotten back to the way that you started. But anyways, I was like, you know what, girl, take this 2 pounds and be happy. And so I'm gonna tell y'all the same thing, because I see in the comments like we be beating ourselves up. I'm including myself because I've been doing it too. But any poundage that you lost, even if it's not even a full pound, if it's like 0.5, just take it. Because honestly, you guys, and I don't know if it's just because my mindset this time around for this challenge is like I'm really not focusing on the weight. Like, yes, I want to lose 20 pounds, but I'm really just trying to focus on how I feel, and I feel good. Like I feel like I look good. Like I feel like I look smaller than the number that I'm seeing. So for me, like mentally, like yeah, of course when I weighed myself the first time I was like upset, but I had to really back in. Like, how do you feel? How do you look? That's what really matters. Don't get me wrong, I still want to lose the 20 pounds because I would feel more confident when I'm at like the weight that I was at, because that's the way where I feel not so much confident. I feel more comfortable because at that weight I could go up 5 or go down 5 and I'll be fine. But at the weight I'm at now, I'm kind of like trickling, like, girl, 10 more pounds, honey, and it's a wrap. So, you know, just trying to make sure I like maintain like a positive headspace when doing these weigh-ins and stuff has really helped me. But yeah, so I did lose 2 pounds. I did my body fat, it didn't change. I think it actually went up like 2. But like I said, we're on week 3 now, so we still have, what's 10 minus 3? 8? No, that 10 minus, we still have 7 weeks left. So yeah, like I said, I don't want to say I'm not stressing, because if I would have made this video the day I weighed myself, it would have been a different energy. But I weighed myself on Saturday, but I don't record the actual video until Monday. So I don't record the video and take the pictures for the thumbnail until Monday. So yeah, oh, that's what I was gonna say. And then also, like, when I like saw the 2 pound gain, I had to really think about like, well, what did you do this week? So I think last Wednesday I was really craving some Popeye's chicken, and I went and got some. It was so bomb, but y'all, my stomach was hurting so bad. Because literally for breakfast I had like a English muffin and sausage. Lunch I was having like a taco salad. Dinner I was having fish and salad. So I like was really like eating clean. And I don't know, I put that Popeyes into my stomach on Wednesday night. I thought my stomach was gonna explode, and I kept eating it, y'all. That biscuit was good with the honey. It was just so good. But yeah, and then Friday night, so I do my weigh-in Saturday mornings. But Friday night my boyfriend came over and he had brought some barbecue, and y'all, I love barbecue. Like, I love barbecue. One thing I'm not gonna say no to is some barbecue, and so I went in on that barbecue. So that might have played a part too, but I was like, you know, it is what it is. I'm not gonna try to justify the number. It was 2 pounds down, so I'm excited. So what I am doing this week though, I am taking it up a notch, only because I do give into myself a lot when I'm not hungry. I'm just bored because I work from home now, so like I'm just at home. So what I started doing was taking like a 3-mile walk every morning. So that takes about an hour. So it's at least like I'm out the house for an hour. Then by the time I get back, eat breakfast, do work, call job. But like, well, girl, if you're working during the day, you wouldn't be, child. That's a different story for another day. But by the time I get back, eat breakfast, it's like, well, today it was like 11:30 because I went late. But like, you know, once I do that and then like chill and stuff, it's like 1 o'clock, and I can like work for like an hour or whatever. do something, and then I have to be at the gym for 5, so that kind of like helps me have like more of a like make like a schedule, I guess. So anyways, yeah, so that's what I started doing this week. So for my exercise for this week is the 3-mile walk in the morning, except for Wednesdays and Fridays. On Wednesdays and Fridays I do a Peloton ride instead, because Wednesdays I have a staff meeting for work, so I can't go out and walk, so I have to be up and on the Zoom call at 9, so I do a Peloton ride. And then Fridays I like to do Peloton rides because I typically don't go to the gym, but I might start going to the gym on Friday, I don't know. And then yeah, that's that. And then my food for this week, I upped the food, not upped it, but I like went a little bit more cleaner. Not even cleaner, y'all. I just actually meal prepped everything out because I think I was doing like bigger servings than I needed to. So basically I'm doing the same thing. For breakfast, I'm having 1 English muffin. They're 100-calorie English muffins that I get from HEB. Everything I buy is from HEB. 100-calorie English muffins with turkey sausage, like 3 ounces, so it's like this big, in the air fryer. Then for lunch, I have like, I was doing a taco salad, but I really didn't want the lettuce this week, so I just did ground turkey with Mrs. Dash taco seasoning, black beans, corn, salsa. Bomb, so bomb. I love that. So I have that for lunch. Then for my snack, I have grapes and almonds. I was doing 10 grapes, 10 almonds or something like that, but child, we'll see. And then for dinner, I have the option between either chicken and salad or soup or fish and salad. So that's what I'm doing this week. I'm really gonna try to stick to that and see what I can really do. And then I also got this tea that I started taking every Sunday night. So it's, I don't know, the lighting is too bright. My ring light is like way too bright, you can't see it. And the container is like orange, but it's Spanish. It's just like pinaline. I got it on Amazon. This group I'm in, they like recommended it as like a tea that like kind of cleans you out. And so I've been taking this. I've taken it 2 times. I took it last Sunday and this Sunday, just to like, you know, just keep me clean. But I drink green tea every morning anyways. It's like this green tea with ginger. Actually, I'll show y'all because I think it's not gonna show because my so I have an obsession with tea. One day I'll show y'all my little tea thing. But these are my 2 faves. This one's running out. So this is the, you can't see it because the ring light is too bright. Sorry, y'all. It's green tea with ginger by Bigelow. And then this is the lemon ginger herbal tea by Bigelow. These are my 2 faves. I drink them all the time. I literally have thousands of teas in here, so child, if you know any good teas, please let me know. I'm like a tea drinker. Like I literally get my tea, put it in there and drink it plain. Like I don't put nothing in it. Like I just like tea by itself. Like I love tea, hot tea. I mean, I like cold tea too, but hot tea. So if you have a tea that's like your favorite or your go-to tea, please let me know. I will try it. Like when I'm telling you I love tea, I love tea. Anyways, let me not get started because I will go on a rampage and y'all be like, girl, I'm tired. That's why I've been down like this today, y'all. What else? Yeah, I think that's it. So I lost the 2 pounds. I feel pretty good. Like I said, it was a mental thing. I had to really talk myself out of it. And luckily, like with my nutritionist, she actually, like, my last session with her is this upcoming Friday. I completed, like, you know, the little program. But honestly, guys, if it wouldn't have been for going through that program, I think if I would have gotten that scale and saw only the 2 pounds, I would have spiraled. I would have binge eat. I would have just been like, this isn't worth it. But now that I have like better tools to help me, like, okay, so let's really think about this situation. Like, you lost 2 pounds. Your goal is to lose 2 pounds every week. You met your goal. So what's there to be upset about? Even if I would have lost 1 pound, like, what if you're looking in the mirror and you see something that you're happy with, the scale is just a number, guys. And I'm saying this to y'all, but I'm really saying it to myself. I'm really saying it out loud to myself. So if y'all like, girl, I'm really telling myself this. Like, sometimes when I say stuff out loud, it just helps me. But the scale is literally just a number. And what we're not going to do, what the snatch squat is not going to do, is let a number dictate our lives. So that's how I feel. Yes, I want to lose these 20 pounds, but I mean, I'm on track. Lost the 2 pounds this week. And if it doesn't happen, okay, it's not the end of the world. You just gotta keep trucking. Maybe it's gonna take longer than 10 weeks. I mean, let's see. All this weight, it was like from quarantine until as of recent. So that's like 7 months. So I ain't tripping. Anyway, so yes, lost 2 pounds this week. I'm honestly hoping for better numbers this upcoming week. I'm just saying, I'm putting it out there in the atmosphere, you know. Your girl wants to see like a good, I really want to get back into the 230s. So we'll see. We'll see if we can do that. And yeah, guys, let me know how your numbers went, and keep commenting, keep liking, because honestly guys, when I see you guys' comments, like, it really helps me. And I don't know if y'all noticed, but I've been responding back to all the comments. Like, I have been, like, because I know sometimes I'll just like them, but I have actually been like going in and like typing something. So you know, make sure you comment, let me know how it's going for you. And oh, last thing, I start my period this week, so actually I'm not gonna use that as an excuse, because when I was doing the challenge, like, if you were like on your period, you can like tell them and they wouldn't count like that week. But my weight really didn't fluctuate much, but I'm just gonna put that out there just in case, you know, we have a higher number, just saying. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.